Good morning mga Katimbol Vlogs. Welcome back sa aking video was vlog. Medyo natagalan tayo bago gumawa ng fast check ngayong mga kaibigan kasi pinagawa tayo ng office works. Alam nyo naman masyado kong ginalingan kaya ayan tuloy. Pinagawa na sa akin, halos paggawa na sa akin lahat. So good morning. Time check 4:45 April 20 Saturday 2024 here in Para Depot, Kilburnie, Wellington, New Zealand. So gagamitin nating bus number ngayon ay si bus number 2160 which registration plate number FHJ210 which will expire on December 3, 2024. So all good. Come on, let's check it out. Ito yung gagamitin nating old damage.
Bias kan sama logam kalman lah.
Oh, chainsaw. Adjusters are all good. And yan, old damage. That's an old damage. And adjusters are all good. Tires are all thick. Adjusters are all good. Damage, yeah. Grabe. That's a damage. This is a damaged one. So this is the back of the bus. Little left letters in cinemas. So, yan, puro mga old damage. Ang importante lang naman dyan itong gulong, yung mga adjusters nya kung tama ba. Wala tayong ibang aanahin pa dyan. Okay, so let's go inside. Let's check inside. Tingnan natin kung may mga naglulus. So all good. And alright. Ayan, magandang tulugan. Si tamang-tama standby lang tayo mga Katimbol Vlogs. Magandang tulugan yung likod ng bus na to. So all good. Until next video bus vlog, paalam!